Hey, how's it going, guys? Assad here, and you're gonna learn about get date and the get date, you know, the date object. So let's begin. Use the var birthday. Yeah, it is the following is my birthday. New operator, date, and inside that, what we're gonna do is paste September. Don't use my don't use my birth date in your text editor. Use your, okay man, because it's mine. And 2000, yeah, I born in 2000, I'm 18 now. 23 15 30. Wow, within seconds. No, it's not accurate, but I can say it could be. And date 1 equals birthday dot get date. When we do that, it's gonna make that. And now we need to log it on a console. Without that, how we could see it. So date 1, so it says 2 because I born in 2 September. So 2. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video, guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.